Are you tired of watching others build wealth while you stay stuck? Imagine waking up every day with a clear plan to make money and take control of your financial future. In today's video, I'm going to share simple but powerful inspiration to help you get started on the path to financial success, whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up. Stick with me and let's unlock your potential. First, believe in the power of small wins. Many people look for big breakthroughs, but the truth is, making money starts with small, consistent actions. Whether you're saving, investing, or building a side hustle, every small step counts. And as you keep moving forward, those small wins will add up to something much bigger. Stay focused and patient. The journey is just as important as the destination. Second, shift your mindset. One of the biggest barriers to making money is your mindset. If you believe that it's too late or that you're not capable, you'll never start. But if you adopt a growth mindset, you'll see opportunities everywhere. Making money isn't just about the how, it's about your approach, your willingness to learn, and your ability to adapt. Third, leverage what you know. You don't have to be an expert to start making money. Use your existing skills, interests, and knowledge to your advantage. Whether it's teaching, freelancing, or starting a blog, there's always a way to monetize what you already know. Finally, take action. Now, inspiration without action is just a dream. Stop waiting for the perfect moment and take the first step today. Whether it's researching your next business idea, saving that first dollar, or investing in your future, take action. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Your journey to financial success starts now. Let's make it happen together.